Welcome to Gaming, the new channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets, and this is my real-life gaming companies stock portfolio. So I'm invested in all of those gaming companies. So $55,000 over $55,000, so around about 51,000 euros. So as you can see, I am overall in the minus over $3,000, so minus 5.12%. And today was finally a good day, so I'm up $360, so 0.64%. So guys, I am invested in all of those stocks. I'm always saying it. So disclaimer, not financial advisor, YouTuber, retail investor, and make your own research. So as you can see, you can actually lose a lot of money. So this is probably important to say. So I'm very happy to present this to you. So this is a new series. So if you're interested in this, then please comment, like, and subscribe me, and then you can follow me on my way to grow this gaming company's portfolio much bigger. So I am invested in all kinds of different stocks. So for example, so today I'm putting in the order of the winners and the losers. So I'm, for example, invested in a small Polish gaming company, Starward Industries, and I'm weighting this stock, for example, only with 0.77%. Now you see I have a net win of this stock now of 66.44%, so, but it's only $170. So you would say now, so yeah, Mr. Orange, then you should have invested much more in this stock. So that's the problem, guys. So if you invest, mostly it happens if you invest a lot in some penny stock, in some very volatile tiny stock, there's just a huge risk that you can lose your money. There's really a huge risk. So Starward Industries, and I'm going to show to you this immediately. Starward Industry is here. This is Starward Industries. Here, this is the Steam stock page. So they are working on one single game, and they have on Steam, they have 180 followers. So they work on the game The Invincible. You can check out this game already now. You can download the demo, you can play this, and those are former Witcher CD Projekt Witcher developers. But it doesn't mean, guys, it really doesn't mean that we're going to have a huge success here. Therefore, a little amount, 0.77%. This is roundabout, yeah, it's going to be roundabout, let's say roundabout 400 US dollars right now. So also today a very good day for Tencent Holdings. So if you don't know Tencent, so just Google it. So it's this huge holding company from China, which has their hands in all of the other gaming companies throughout the world. So this is really a huge company. So also a very good winner today is Playway with 2.59%. Also here I'm invested a little bit more. So Playway also is linked to Ultimate Games. I'm going to talk about this immediately. So I'm not going to cover now all of those games, but what I want to show you guys that you can follow me here on this path, on those videos. So, and then you're going to see how this overall market value is going down or is going up. So as you can see now, since I'm invested in some of those companies already since 5-6 years, so this is not like I just started investing, but I'm just starting now this portfolio. So to show it to my viewers, but because until now you've always seen videos about specific games. So Square Enix Holdings, this is a new company I just bought 1%, so around about 542 euros. So I'm very happy that I'm here more or less at zero. So that's very good to see. Also Playway, just wanted to mention, also a stock that I'm very happy about, was running well. Then of course Ubisoft, you know, I made a lot of Ubisoft videos. Therefore you see that with Ubisoft I'm now minus $1,555, so 43%. At one point I was planning to buy some more, but I don't know if this point is reached yet. So I'm really a bit reluctant here. Bloober, another small gaming company. Bloober, for example, makes the Medium or Layers of Fear games. Also small Polish company. So you see again, as for Starward Industries, small amount invested. So risky investments. And then we are coming, guys. Of course, we're coming to the the big news today of Activision Blizzard. I'm invested here with over $11,000, so this is one of my big companies, almost 20%, and today was a good day, 1.24% up, and you see now I'm almost up 50%. I have to say I have Activision Blizzard already since quite some time, so this is not a stock I just recently bought. I bought it always then when it was going down a little bit, but I'm very happy actually about the news today, and we are going to check it out. Here we go. So this is here the news. The news is EU approves Microsoft 69 billion acquisition of Activision Blizzard, clearing huge hurdles. So European Union regulators on Monday approved the Microsoft proposed 69 billion acquisition. That means, as I said, so this is we can show you again. So this is going to be then I think it was 96. Was it $96? Yeah, $96. So from now I'm $78, $96 up. So that means around about 18 around about 18 more dollars. So this is going to be pretty cool to see when this stock, my 42 stocks are going, shares are going for $18 up. So that's going to be a nice amount. So calculate it quickly in your head, because I have to concentrate now on talking. So European Commission, the EU executive arm, said Microsoft offered the remedies in the nascent area of cloud gaming that have staved off antitrust concerns. These remedies centered on allowing users to stream Activision games that they purchase on any cloud streaming platform. Europe's green light is a huge win for Microsoft after the UK's top competition authority last month blocked the deal. And here you can read everything about this. So a lot of text, a lot of information. I'm not going to read this now to you. Very often I do this, so we have a little picture we can look at. So maybe that's interesting for you. So also the European Commission was posting this on Twitter, and then it was so funny to see that actually the CMA, the UK authorities, were posting their rebuttal already. So because the UK authorities are not happy with this with the acquisition of Activision by Microsoft. So, but hey, here we go. Margaret Vestager, Executive Vice President in charge of competition policy, said today video games attract billions of users all over the world. In such a fast-growing and dynamic industry, it is crucial to protect competition and innovation. Our decision represents an important step in this direction by bringing Activision's popular games to many more devices and consumers than before, thanks to cloud game streaming. The commitments offered by Microsoft will enable for the first time the streaming of such games in any cloud game streaming service. So that's a big news. So enhancing competition and opportunities for growth. And then you can download the whole report. So unfortunately I wanted to read it, but hey guys, the day has not so much time as we want. Not so much time as we want, of course. So coming back to my portfolio, as I said, so Activision Unity software is a big disappointment for me. I once was trading the stock when it just went public in 2021, and since then it was massively falling. So I have an average price now of $78. So this is definitely bad. And also I have to say $3,478 in the minus, over 60%. That hurts. Also Embracer Group, so they recently in the last 2 days they had a nice little run up again, but I'm still over 27% down. Digital Pros, 505 Games, Boss Crime on Epic Games, also exclusive game together. They work a lot together with Starbreeze and also with Embracer Group. So small amount invested, but that's a gaming company I could see myself averaging down if they would fall a little bit more. Yeah, not talking about Microsoft here. I mean 93%, so that's a position I have already since a very long time. I bought also in the Corona crash, I bought a lot of it, as you can see, so 15,000. So we are now $7,486 up, so one of my favorite stocks. Even Rovio Entertainment, which is going to be acquired by Sega, still up 55%, so that's around about the price. So they want me to actually make a specific action. I have to now allow Sega to acquire this company. So yeah, well, I'm for tax purposes purposes, I always have to hold stocks 6 months, and then I can sell them without paying taxes. So I'm not really happy if I have to sell it now under 6 months. But it's a very, I hope I can win some time. So another new stock I bought is Team 17. So this is a stock where I really had problems to purchase it. There was almost no volume on my broker, so minus 3.58% down. Also nothing happened today, so really weird. So I'm very much interested to see where this stock is going in the future. Then another company everyone knows is of course Take-Two, 22% down. So this is a stock I could imagine to average down a little bit, even that I have already over 10% position in my gaming company stock portfolio. So I also want to say here at this point that I'm having of course other stocks as well. So my money is not only invested in gaming stocks, but I'm taking out the gaming companies, the gaming stocks, to show you how a gaming company portfolio could look like. It's a bit like my personal ETF that I created here. And now you would say, yeah, but it costs also money to buy all those stocks. So I mean, on my broker it's not that expensive. Also, even buying some of the smaller positions, it's okay. And I actually really enjoy owning those companies. I really enjoy owning those companies. Some of those companies even pay dividends. That's also pretty cool. So I have some passive income by it. But of course, gaming companies are growth companies. They are sometimes very risky, but I guess we are in a consolidation phase also of the market. So you see some companies disappear, like Activision Blizzard is going to disappear, Rovio is going to disappear. I'm sure also some of the other companies will disappear. So it's actually a very interesting market to buy some smaller gaming companies and see if they actually get acquired by the big one. So also Take-Two was, for example, buying Zynga. I was invested before in Zynga. And then, and the price they paid for Zynga was not so good in comparison now to for example, the deal I'm going to get with Rovio or with Activision Blizzard. Also Nacon, a stock I recently, I bought some more. So now I'm finally in the plus, first time in the plus since a very long time. Then CD Projekt, that's a total story. You know the story if you follow my videos. So you know that I'm looking forward for the long term on CD Projekt. I'm very happy that Cyberpunk is doing well again, but 45% in the minus is definitely too much. Also Corsair still 31% in minus, so here on absolute values this also hurts a bit more. Starbreeze, this is a stock they make payday 1, 2, 3, and they're going to make payday 3. But the problem is, guys, that this is a very volatile stock, and they have had money issues in the past. So I hope they iron those problems out. But this is a big gamble. I have to admit, this is a gamble. So therefore, really small amount in Starbreeze. Ultimate Games is part of Playway. So I would say it would be maybe more or smarter if I would just have invested in Playway. But now I have Ultimate Games. Now it's in the minus. They pay a good dividend, so at the moment I'm not selling. And then I get also the dividend, for example, in Polish zlotys, and I can buy some more stocks. Focus. What I think is very interesting today is Focus Home, Focus Entertainment, and Bigben. Those two French companies are down today. Bigben is a company that I actually plan to average down a little bit more, and Focus Home is actually a company that I would be interested to buy some more in case, guys, Focus Home is getting a little bit cheaper. Oh, cheaper, not cheaper, cheaps. Just kidding, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So also the sound must have been better. So a little disclaimer at the end. So I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a YouTuber, a retail investor myself. So this is my personal stock portfolio. Please don't copy this. Please don't buy those stocks only because you see them, only because you see Starward industry goes up. So look at the charts. The charts sometimes look like some stocks are pumping a little bit. So that's always important to keep this in mind. And with that, I'm leaving it here, guys. So make your own research, lose your own money, because you see I lose my own money, so very important. So see you next time. Bye bye.